Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful way to manage projects and contacts, Insightly is a great solution that combines CRM and project management into one platform. Today, we'll go over how to use Insightly for organizing contacts, tracking projects, and streamlining business operations. Let's get started. Getting started with Insightly. 1. Create an account. Sign up on Insightly and choose the right plan for your business needs. 2. Set up your dashboard. Customize your dashboard to display key metrics like project progress, contacts, and sales pipelines. 3. Import data. Upload existing contacts, leads, and projects from spreadsheets or other CRMs. Managing contacts efficiently. Add and categorize contacts. Store client details, track interactions, and categorize contacts based on relationships. Link contacts to projects. Connect people to specific projects, deals, and organizations for better context. Use notes and reminders. Keep track of important conversations and set follow-up reminders. Project management with Insightly. Create and assign tasks. Break down projects into tasks, assign them to team members, and set deadlines. Track progress. Use Kanban boards and project pipelines to monitor work in real time. Automate workflows. Set up automation for task assignments, notifications, and approvals. Integrating Insightly with other tools. Insightly works seamlessly with Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, QuickBooks, and Zapier, making it easy to connect with existing business apps. Best practices for using Insightly. Regularly update contacts. Keep contact information current for better communication. Use reports and analytics. Monitor sales, project timelines, and team performance with built-in reports. Automate repetitive tasks. Save time by setting up automation rules for follow-ups and task assignments. With Insightly, managing contacts and projects becomes simpler, more organized, and highly efficient. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.